Hi guys, good morning and welcome to one more live trading analysis. Today is Wednesday, 25th May 2022. So as usually we do it, let us start with the pre-market analysis, and once market opens at 9:15, let me start with the live commentary on today's price action in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Once I take the position, I'll show you my entry, exit, logic behind taking the trade, my stop loss, everything will be shown in the live market. So with that, let us start with the pre-market analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, I forgot to tell you one thing. I started a new initiative, that is end of the day chart analysis on Nifty Bank Nifty. Every day after market closes, I pull out the Nifty Bank Nifty charts on that particular day. I mark important levels like entry, exit. I'll mark the important candles where you are supposed to go long, where you are supposed to keep stop loss, where was the support, where was the resistance, which candle you have to enter, which candle you have to exit, based on daily price action analysis. Within 3 days of announcement, almost 250 people have joined my Telegram channel, and they're taking the use of Nifty Bank Nifty analysis, end of the day chart based on price action. So how it is useful for you? Because in the chart I mark important levels, I mark important candlestick, I mark important patterns. So as they say that history repeats itself, so patterns repeat itself. Because patterns are created by human beings, so that is why price actions patterns keep repeating. So when I show you that this is the pattern happened today, this was the entry, this was the exit, next time when you see that same pattern happening on the chart, you know that what to do, when you have to take the trade, where you have to keep stop loss. So that is the new initiative, both for my webinar students and non-webinar students. So if you are interested, you can go below this video in the description section. I have given the link for my Telegram channel through Riggy, and you can take the subscription for the Telegram channel, and you can take use of daily analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's go to my laptop screen and let us start with the pre-market analysis. Hi guys, good morning, and let us start with the chart analysis for 25th of May. Before that, let us see what happened on 24th of May. Based on that, we will analyze today's chart in pre-market analysis. On 24th, first candle opened and took the support near the previous day low and made a big bounce and took the resistance at the CPR and then reversed. And again started going back all the way till the day's high, took the support near the CPR, again went back to day's high, and then market stayed sideways. So this is the analysis in Bank Nifty. Entire day Bank Nifty was staying sideways. Entire day it was staying sideways. Whenever market stays sideways, next day market likely to have a narrow or average CPR, and most of the time it trends. So today we could see a trending day on the upside or downside, any side we could see a trending day. Today, 25th of May, important level would be, one of the important level would be this. Why that is the important level? Because that is the level where there was a reversal, right? So this will be important level. So that level we have to mark in today's chart. So let us mark that level with a black dotted line. And then we will also mark previous day low, also one of the support level. So we have marked previous day high and previous day low, where previous high is also a supply zone. And let us go to higher time frame and see. Okay, look at the higher time frame. Higher time frame market looks like making a consolidation around the swing high or supply zone. All right, you can see that first time, second time, third time, fourth almost came near, fifth, and now we are near the important swing high, that is, which is that level 34,800. So what it shows? It shows that there is a very aggressive seller sitting in this area. So there is an aggressive seller. So that is the one level which you have to keep watching it on your chart. When price comes near to that level, then makes sense to book your profit or wait for the break. Overall market structure is bearish, right? So in that case, what we'll do? We will be bearish or bullish. We will be taking bearish stand, right? When overall market is bearish, then it makes sense to stay bearish. That means taking bearish position. And also you can see that it is taking resistance near the sloping 20 MA here also. Because here also it reversed after 20 MA, here also it is taking resistance. Let's go to Nifty chart now. And Nifty also you can see that same price action in Nifty also, just like Bank Nifty, opened with a kind of bullish pin bar, took the resistance near the CPR, reversed back to the daily pivot, again went back to the day's high, and again came back and finally closed. So for today also, we'll have one important level is this resistance where there was a collapse, and this as a sub. Let us see where market opens, because SGX Nifty is showing some 60-70 points up move. That means somewhere here we could open it. But here also Nifty also I'm expecting kind of average CPR, just like Bank Nifty. We may not have a wide CPR today. So let us see, let market opens, and once market opens, let me start with the my position, my logic behind taking the trade, my entry, exit, stop loss, take profit. Everything will be explained in the live market. So let's wait till 9:50. Okay, guys, as we were expecting, market opened with a small gap up above the previous day close, and first candle making a small bullish pin bar above the CPR, and currently it's in no man's land. Neither it is near the resistance, neither it is near the support. So in such case, we will not take any trade. Okay, now let us look at the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also, you can see that it is taking resistance near the previous day high where there was a big crash yesterday. So it is too early to say whether that level will be broken or no. But the thing is that even though if this level gets broken, next resistance is here. So let us see, let's wait for candle to close and let us see what happens in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I have not taken any trade as of now, even though first candle looks very bullish. Okay, you can see that first candle has closed with such a bullish candle, breaking the supply zone and previous day high. Many of you may feel like going long, right, immediately because of the bullishness of the candle. But in trading, more than profit, you have to focus on the stop loss. You have to focus on the risk. That means, what is my risk in this trade if I go long, right? Risk is, if I go long here, where will I keep my stop loss? If I keep my stop loss below that supply zone, it will be very small stop loss. If I keep my stop loss below the candle, it's a good stop loss, but entry here, stop loss here, take profit here, because here is a daily pivot and there is another supply zone which we marked in pre-market analysis. So not a good risk reward, right? Because to make this much profit, you are risking this much. It's not even proper 1:1 risk reward, right? Target here, stop loss here. So it doesn't give you good risk reward. Second reason, look at the Nifty. Nifty is already near the daily pivot and near the supply zone, right? Here it's a supply zone, here it's a supply zone. So Nifty can reverse, Bank Nifty also can reverse. In such case, what you should do, don't take any, just don't jump into the trade looking at this kind of huge bullish candle. It could be trap to trap the novice traders, to give them impression that market is going to go like this and then reverse. So I have not taken any trade, even though it is looking bullish candle wise. So I will be taking that trade if it fails. If it fails and comes down, I'll go short. In Bank Nifty also same. Bank Nifty, it has to break the first candle low and the CPR, then I would be interested. But as I said, don't go long on such huge bullish candle. Okay, as you can see that Bank Nifty not able to sustain after the big bullish candle. Though there is no resistance, but still it's not able to break that level. What could be the reason? Look at the Nifty chart. Nifty almost near the resistance, right? At the daily pivot and the supply zone. And Nifty and Bank Nifty both are trying to break one of the level. When you see consolidation like this, most of the time it breaks one of those levels. Either it can break upside or downside. Chances of breaking downside is higher, but let's wait and watch. Don't take any trade until it breaks any one of these levels. For Nifty to go long, it has to break both these levels. For Nifty to go long, it has to break both the levels. For short, it has to break not only first candle low, it has to break the CPR also. Now anyway, let's see for some time. Too early to say anything. Anywhere it can go. It can suddenly, after some time, it can break this entire consolidation. It can break everything and it can keep going like this, or it can come down, right? Okay, Nifty is looking weaker. Nifty is coming near the CPR. So let us see whether Nifty breaks the CPR easily. If Nifty are breaking the CPR without any struggle, that means Nifty is weaker. you can start shorting the Nifty, but you have to wait till Nifty breaks the CPR, because CPR is kind of average in Nifty, right? Bank Nifty, it is kind of narrow, but here it is still little bit average size. So you have to wait until it breaks the CPR. Okay, now time is, you can see that 9:41. After 5 candles, in 6th candle, now Nifty is coming near the first candle low and the CPR. Same way in Bank Nifty also, you can see that Bank Nifty also taking the support near the supply zone. So as you know that it was resistance earlier, once it was broken, it can act as a support, right? Because resistance becomes support in trading once it is broken. So it can act as a support or it can break. But now both Nifty and Bank Nifty at the important support. But somehow I'm not comfortable to go long, even though there is a CPR support, because somehow for me it looks like market is bearish. Market is trying to trap the retailers who went long on this bullish candle. If it breaks the CPR, then I'm going to take a short. In Nifty, I'll take the short trade if it breaks the CPR. Nifty is at the make or break. Make or break mean either it can take support at the CPR and it can bounce back and start going up, or it can reverse and breaks the CPR and it can go down. Both Nifty, Bank Nifty looking bearish for me, but still I have not taken short trade in Nifty because it is at the CPR. It has to break the CPR to go short. It is making a kind of pin bar, but still not convincing candle to go long, even though it's at the CPR. Let us wait for one more candle, and if I see next candle also bullish, then I might go long in Nifty. If next candle is big bearish candle, then I would be going short in Nifty. Okay, guys, you can see that I have taken a position, short position in Nifty. After that candle has closed the CPR. So let us see the position. You can see that I shorted 1,500 quantity of Nifty May 16,150 CE. So that means 30 lots of Nifty. I shorted once candle closed below the CPR. So I shorted once I seen that candle has closed below the CPR. Now you can see that there is a small loss currently. Now let us wait and see what happens. Currently I am in a small loss. Okay, Nifty, these are the support. This candle low is the support. If this candle low gets broken, then there can be a free fall. Candle which I shorted, after that there is no big red candle, right? After that only small tiny candles. So still it's not direction is clear. It will go up or go down. If it goes up, my stop loss gets hit and I'll be out. So my stop loss is above this red candle. So if market starts reversing, I will take my stop loss. If market starts going down, I will be in profit. So let us see Bank Nifty also. You can see that near make or break, trading between support and resistance. Whenever you see this kind of small candles, which is not able to see which side it has to go, most of the time after that one big fall will come. One big move will come. Either there will be a big move on this side or big move on this side. Only in some time we will come to know which side move is coming, this side or this side. So I have taken a bet based on move coming on downside. So what is the analysis I have taken? Because market looked bearish for me, even though it broken the first candle low, there was a CPR, then there was a doji. So I was waiting for candle to properly break the CPR. This candle has broken the CPR. I went short, but after that you can see that after that there was no free fall. Like how free fall happened here, there was no free fall after that. That's why you can see that still I'm in a loss. So let us see whether this consolidation breaks on the downside or upside or downside. If upside, then I will take my stop loss. If downside, then I'll make profit. I taken my view saying that market will go down. Okay, guys, as I was telling you that if this level breaks, then there can be a free fall, right? So you can see that now candle is coming near this level. So let us see whether that level gets broken or that holds. And that black line which I marked, that will be Lakshman Rekha. If that breaks, then there can be a free fall in Nifty. And in Bank Nifty, if this pivot gets broken, then there can be a free fall, even though there is a 20 MA. But Nifty looking very bearish. If this candle closes below it, then there can be a free fall. Candle has to close. Now it has not closed because still time is 10:17. It has to become 10:20 candle. If it breaks below this level, that means it's bearish. Look at this candle, how it is trying to support that level. See, still candle has not closed. I said only if candle closed. So still candle has not closed, right? Still candle closes above that. Okay, for a moment now, let us look at where I kept my stop loss. You know that I trade with 1:2 risk reward, right? 1:2 risk reward mean if I lose 1%. If I make profit, I make 2%. That is how you should trade 1:2 risk reward. In this trade, I have taken the average price of Nifty call option. I have taken at 91.90. Let us assume that 92 rupees. Okay, for a round figure. Now let us see where I kept my stop loss. Let me go to order book. Can you see my stop loss? My stop loss is 109. So that means how much points I kept my stop loss? 17 points, right? Around 17 points is my stop loss. How much position I have taken? 1500 units. That means 30 lots. So 17 into 1500, how much? It is 25,500. So that is the risk I have taken in this trade. That is the risk. That means I have risked 17 points, which equals to 25,500. That is the maximum loss I'm going to take in this trade if the trade starts going like this and my stop loss hits. That is what maximum. But how much profit I'm aiming at? 17 points is my stop loss. I'm aiming at least 34 points profit. 34 points mean how much? My average price is 92. 92 minus 34, how much? 58. All right. So if Nifty starts going down and call options start getting eroded, once 92 rupees comes down to around 58, that is where I'll book my profit. That will give me around 51,000 profit in this trade because I've taken the risk of 25,500. So what is 1:2? Double of this, right? So that is how you should trade. That is how you should trade. That means whatever the risk you're taking, aim for double the profit. 17 points risk I've taken my stop loss. I'm aiming for at least 34 points profit. So that is what the 1:2 risk reward. Either your stop loss hits or your profit target hits. If your stop loss hits, don't get upset. Profit target hits, don't get excited. Just follow position sizing and risk. Now you can see that how that Lakshman Rekha, which I was telling you that this black line, which I was telling that that is the Lakshman Rekha. It has to break that level for price to go down. You can see that first time it came down and then it took the support. Second time you can see that this pin bar trying to take the support. Let us see whether that Lakshman Rekha will go down or now this will be Lakshman Rekha, not the earlier, because this is where it took the support. Okay guys, you can see that Nifty made a huge green candle here trying to break the CPR, and same time you have seen that my MTM also almost came near my stop loss. Had I kept my stop loss based on price action, my stop loss would have been here above the candle or above the CPR. My stop loss was based on my option price. You know that option price I sold at around 92 and my stop loss was around 109. It came to around 104, 105 but did not hit my stop loss. So that's why I'm still in that trade. All right. So had you kept your stop loss above this red candle based on price action, then your stop loss would have hit. So that is why by option selling near to expiry can give you that cushion. That even though on price action your stop loss hits, your option stop loss may not hit if you sell option, because tomorrow is the expiry day, right? So that is why had you bought option, put option, maybe your stop loss would have hit when candle came here. So that is the advantage of selling option, but not all the time. If your direction is very clear, then you can buy the option also. But selling option due to theta decay, today theta is decaying very fast. So that is why you can see that my stop loss did not hit. Now I'm looking at this horizontal line. If this horizontal line breaks, then next support is here. And market is looking bearish. And you can see that after a long time, now I'm in good profit. Earlier profit, loss. Now I'm in profit. And what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty also you can see that after some time, it broke that day's high, then started coming down, then made a big green candle. This is called false breakout. This is called false breakout, where big green candle and suddenly red candle. This is the fake breakout. And now there's a high chances that now market can go down in both and Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty have a support at the pivot where there was earlier support. It has to break that level to go down, and Nifty have the support at this candle. Okay guys, now you can see that candle is coming near the same level where it took the support earlier. If this black line breaks, then next resistance is only here. Then there can be a free fall. It has to close below this wicks. And look at this, how aggressively Nifty is trying to break that level. It has to break that level. Break that level means candle has to close. Earlier also, this candle also, when it came near that line, it looked like it's going to break, but you can see that after that it made a bullish candle. So that's why this candle has to properly break that level. So now candle is closed. It's 11:35, candle is closed. Now it's a bearish sign that it has closed below that black horizontal line, Lakshman Rekha, it closed below it. Now it's a bearish sign. If Bank Nifty also breaks this line, then there is no support until the first candle low, then there is a CPR. Okay guys, now you can see that I was telling you that this is the important level for Bank Nifty where it bounced last time, and you can see that now candle is trying to break that level. If convincingly it breaks this level, closes below it, then next support only at CPR and first candle low. So candle has not yet closed, so let us see what happens, because Nifty now coming near the support of previous day low. Nifty coming near the previous day low support now. Look at this, Nifty even trying to break the previous day low also. Previous day low support also it's trying to break. Market is very bearish. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty are very bearish. So since it's going as per my direction, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cancel my stop loss order, because I kept my stop loss at 109. It's very unlikely that now it will come all the way and hits my stop loss. I'm going to cancel that stop loss order and I will book my profit once it comes in my 1:2 risk reward. So I cancel my stop loss order. Now I'm waiting to book my profit once it comes in 1:2 risk reward. Now there can be a free fall since there is no support for Nifty till the next pivot. So that is why I cancelled my order, stop loss order, and now I'm waiting to book my profit once I come in 1:2 risk reward. Okay guys, now you can see that it's coming near my profit target. Anytime I book my profit, and you can see that profit is 51,302. So this is the profit, 51,302. If you remember earlier what I said, I've taken the risk of 25,000. 25,500 was the risk, and I will aim for 1:2 risk reward, and I was bearish on the market. I sold call option, and once profit target came to 51,000, I booked my profit. So you can see from my screenshot that this is the profit I booked in Nifty, 16,150 call option. So now let's go to order book and let us see the order book. You can see that order book I sold at 91.90, 16,150 call option, and my stop loss was 109, which I cancelled later because it was going in my direction, and I taken profit at 57.70. So overall, how much points profit I made here? That is around 34 points, right? That is the difference between these two options. So 34 points profit, and I taken 1500 units. So total profit comes to around 51,000. That is what known as following the risk reward in trading, and trading as per the rule. My entry was here, this candle. My stop loss was based on my option price, which is 1:2 risk reward. My stop loss was around 17 points in option, and once I made 34 points profit, I booked my profit. Don't look at the candlestick and just go long, or just don't go short because looking at the bearish candle. Location is important. So that is what price action will tell you. Price action will tell you that where are the buyers, where are the sellers, where are the stop losses, where is the support, where is resistance. So for that, you need to learn price action. If you are interested to learn price action, then you can join my webinar on day trading webinar with pivot points and price action. Also, you can join my options course, option strategies made. So that's it about today's live trading in Nifty. I get many messages from my followers asking me how to become successful trader. And this is how you can become a successful trader. That means you need three things to become a successful trader. One is you need a good strategy. You need to know price action. You need to know how market behaves. You need to know the psychology of buyers and sellers. Where they are buying, where they are selling, where they have the stop loss. Price action chart is not random. Every candlestick will tell you some story. It's about buyers and sellers. You need to know where is the support, where is the resistance, and you need to know when you have to take the trade, when you have to go long, when you have to go short, when you have to take profit target. Trading is not just random that you will take the trade wherever you feel like because of the color of the candle. There should be some logic behind taking the trade, and that is what I have done in today's video. So for that you need to learn how to read the chart, how to understand price action. And now number two. Number two is you have to be disciplined in trading. That means you need to have patience, you need to have control on your emotion in trading. You have seen that initially I have not taken the trade. I have taken the trade only once CPR has broken. That means I was patient enough to wait for the right trade to take. So that is what you need to have patience and discipline in trading. Once you decided, you should stick to that rule and you should take the trade only when you see the right opportunity. And the third thing is that you should do the position sizing in such a way that you lose only 1% of your capital. And also risk reward. That means you should risk the amount only you are comfortable losing. I was telling you that my risk is 25,000. I'm comfortable losing 25,000 in that trade. And my reward was 1:2. That means my profit target was whatever the risk I've taken, double of that loss, double of that stop loss. My stop loss was coming to 25,500 and my profit target was 51,000. And I booked the profit only when it came to my profit target. That is known as having the right position sizing and having the right risk reward in trading. So that is why they say that to become a good trader, first you have to be a good loser. That means ensure that your losses always limited, never make your losses big, always have the stop loss and always have risk reward. So these are the three things you need to become good successful trader. If you want to learn how to read the chart, how to know the price action strategies, then you can join my day trading webinar. Link you can see below this video in the description section, and you can join my day trading webinar and I explain this kind of 15 powerful strategies in day trading based on price action, pivot points and CPR. If you are into full-time job, you think that day trading is very difficult for you because of your job, then you can join my swing trading course. There also I discussed swing trading or positional trading strategies that is more ideal for people who are into full-time job. That is called advanced swing trading strategies. And I launched a new course called option strategies made easy. That also you can see the link below this video in the description section. There also I discussed almost 14 powerful option strategies, both for option buyers and option sellers. And if you are very new to stock market, you don't know even ABCD of stock market trading, then you can buy my Anybody Can Trade in Stock Market course. That is especially for beginners who are very new to stock market. So that's it guys. That's about today's live trading in Nifty. I'll see you soon again with a new video. Until then, bye and take care.